Well, today's lockdown project is going to be to free off my rear brake caliper on the Beamer. This is trying to bind a wee bit because it's been laid up for last year without really getting used. That was a Transit RMS ST, away by, very rare. So I'm going to start by removing the two safety pins at either end with a pivot pin locker which secures the pads in place. And with a T35 torque, we're going to remove the two torque bolts, which will then allow us to remove the caliper. And I'll put a picture up in the corner there just to let you see exactly what we're removing. Now, having the safety pins removed, I'm just going to remove that pivot locking pin that holds the pads in place. I'm just going to push it out of the caliper towards the wheel and we'll take that out. Pivot pin now removed, which will be cleaned up and greased before refitting. You can see the two holes where the safety air clips locked it in place. Now, using the top tool, we'll remove the caliper bolts. These may be rather tight, they'll be secured with Loctite. Just got to use T30 tool bit just to remove the mudslinger at the rear of the wheel. There's 3 T30 torques. And just hold that in place. Now, getting access to the caliper with a T40 torque. That just allows us just to pull the pads out, just inspect them. They're not the best, but still plenty of life left in them. They're genuine Brembo, which comes with a bike for new. Give them a little dressing up and refit them. Good to go. Just having a little cloth over the swing arm just to protect the paintwork and just allowing your caliper to rest. This is fine. It's a BMW, it's fitted with the braided hoses, so you're not worrying about putting any undue stress onto that. And that will give us a chance to clean the caliper up, make sure everything's free, dress up the pads, lube everything up with copper slip and then refit. our pads and the location pin back in place. Only just with the safety R clips. One fitted, and the second one to the inside of the caliper. That's us. Securing the rear caliper in place, we just need to use some thread lock just to make sure nothing falls out. The most important part to remember is to prime the back brake, just to bring your pistons back out so that everything's ready to go. So that's us. Got a good pedal. Job done.